Got Dave Kimmel there, see the second wheel.
Oh.
Come on, Craig!
Can you just run if
Yeah, you can get off your bike at any time you want. Like, sometimes, like, even in courses, it's quicker, like, if it's a really tight turn, they'll just jump off and go around it faster than they could to, like, slow down and get the tight corner.
Oh. Oh.
Let's go, Jay!
Let's go, Jay!
This is a mess.
Come on, Jace! Good job! Get that guy out of the way. Good job, Jace! And then they'll go back down, like that's a gravel road that goes somewhere.
Oh boy. I'm laughing, Shadow. Oh.
Apparently that doesn't keep you from falling either.
I feel like I'm shaking your arm.
I got the motion stabilizer on.
That is a pink bike.
It sure is. I feel like it's only appropriate.
Just running. Yeah. Whoa, oh, he fell over running.
So far, both people who have completely forfeited the hill fell. Let's go for 3. Oh!
Traffic jam, a lot of people are hiking biking it.
Hiking biking. Oh. He's like stuck in all the caution tape. Whoa.